A very good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are well. So now I am here again to discuss with you from your book What's What, that is GK book. From this book we are going to discuss a topic. What is the topic? It is, as you can see on the board, it is famous at home and abroad. Home means at home country, that is our India, and abroad. Abroad means foreign countries. We are going to learn about some people who are famous at home in India and in abroad, in foreign countries also. So, you must open the page number 18 in your book, and then we will learn about these persons. Look, here are some pictures given. We will learn the name of these persons, and we will learn what work do they do and why are they famous. Look at the top. Identify these well-known personalities. Write their names with the help of the given clues. So, they are great, well-known personalities. They are very famous people. You have to learn their names and identify with their picture. So, I am here to help you to understand this. So, look at the first picture in your book given. Look at the first picture. And clue given is world famous music composer. I am writing on board and you will write in your book the answer. The number one picture is world famous music composer. World famous music composer. What is music composer? Music composer means who give tune, who give tune to the songs. We listen to the songs, and who those people who give tunes to the songs are called music composer. So the first picture is of a world famous music composer. What is his name? You have to know. Okay. His name is A.R. Rahman. So look at the given clues and write the name. His name is A.R. Rahman. R-A-H-M-A-N. A.R. Rahman is world famous music composer. Okay, remember this. Number two, I am writing children's rights activist. Children rights activist and winner of Nobel Peace Prize. So the second picture is of children rights activities. This person, children rights activist and winner of Nobel Peace Prize. You know what is Nobel Peace Prize? Nobel Prize is a big award, very famous, great award, and it is given in 6 categories. Okay, among those, one of is peace. So Nobel Peace Prize, this person won the Nobel Peace Prize. He got the Nobel Peace Prize, and he also fought for children's right activities. Like what? Like child labor and many like these things. So, who is this person? You must know his name. His name is Kailash Satyarthi. So, Write the name Kailash. K-A-I-L-A-S-H. Kailash Satyarthi. S-A-T-Y-A-R-T-H-I. Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi is children's rights activist and winner of Nobel Peace Prize. Got it? Now, number 3. Number 3. Look, award-winning Indian chef. So, what is chef? Do you know? Who cook at restaurants and big places are called chefs. So, award-winning Indian chef. C-H-E-F. Chef. Award-winning Indian chef. Who is this person? Maybe you have seen him at a cooking show that was broadcasted in television. But what is his name? His name is Vikas Khanna. His name is Vikas Khanna. Number 3, the person is Vikas, V-I-K-S, Vikas Khanna. K-H-A-N-N-A. Khanna. Vikas Khanna is the award-winning Indian chef. Don't make any spelling mistakes while writing these names because they are very great, eminent personalities. Next, number 4, eminent writer. Okay. Eminent writer. Eminent means very famous, very great writer, eminent writer. Who is this person? This person is, his name is here given. Look, Amitabh Ghosh. Amitabh Ghosh. A-M-I-T-A-V. Amitabh Ghosh. He is the eminent writer. You know, he got a great prize like Gyanpith Award, Gyanpith Prize, on 54th Gyanpith Prize. And he wrote many books. When you will grow up, you will must read his books. So, eminent writer is Amitabh Ghosh. Write down this. Next, number 5. What is the number 5? Renowned economist. Renowned economist. Who is an economist? Who researches and writes about things about our economy. You will not understand the economy and these things now. You just remember that he is an economist and he is very famous, renowned. Renowned means famous. Famous economist. Who is this? Who is this person? His name is Amartya Sen. So write number 5 is Amartya Sen. Okay, renowned economist Amartya Sen. Next one. I think next one you can all say. Who is this? Number 6. Famous film actor. Famous film actor. You know who is this? You know, all of you. Maybe some of you must know. He is Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, write the name. Earlier on number 4, you have written about Amitabh Ghosh, but his spelling was Amitav, Amitabh, and this spelling is Amitabh. Don't mix up the name. Amitabh Bachchan, Bachchan. So this is the name of famous film actor, Amitabh Bachchan. Now, number 7. Number 7. The clue given is Chief Executive Officer of Google. So what is Google? I think you all know. Whenever you have to search something, you go on to Google and search it. Generally, it is a search machine. You just know about this, that this is a search machine, Google. So this is run by many people. Many people work there. There, the chief executive of Google is this person. This person is the chief executive of Google. So, what is his name? He is an Indian. He is our pride. His name is Sundar Pichai. His name is Sundar Pichai. Google CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Google is Sundar Pichai. Write it down. Next, number 8. A well-known filmmaker. What is a filmmaker? Do you know? Filmmaker means we watch cinemas and a person who directs the all stuff is called a filmmaker or director. So filmmaker. Here is this lady. This lady is a filmmaker. What is her name? Her name is Meera Nair. Meera Nair. So write Mira Meera and Nair. 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 She is a famous filmmaker. So today you have learned about these 8 people, 8 famous people. Look, I am telling you once again. Look at number 1. He is A.R. Rahman, the world famous music composer. Next, he is what? He is Kailash Satyarthi, children's rights activist and Nobel Peace Award winner. Next, number 3, he is Vikas Khanna, a well-known chef, Indian chef, award-winning chef. Next, he is who? Who is Amitabh Ghosh? Amitabh Ghosh, a eminent writer, famous writer. Next, Amartya Sen, economist, famous economist. And he is Amitabh Bachchan, famous film actor. He is Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, and he is Meera Nair, the famous filmmaker. So, here you learn about 8 famous persons who are famous at India and in foreign countries also. We must feel proud of them. They have glorified our country's name. So, later you will know many more famous persons. But you must remember these names, these peoples. You have to recognize them with their pictures. So that's all for today. Next day we will discuss the next chapter and next topic. So take care all of you. Bye for today.